Dive deep into the rebuild now of the Yoder 640 competition cart. I've got the igniter here, and I'm going to show you how to swap it out and put a new one in. So here we go. We got to reach deep on inside that burn pot right there, and as you saw with how good I am with my fingers in the last video, you plug that guy in like so. Did you hear that? That's the money shot right there. Now here's a good pro tip. Do not leave the cord exposed or you will definitely be calling customer support asking for a new igniter. So shove that guy right on in there. Oh, yep. Oh, there we go. The camera lady's laughing at me. I'm feeling kind of sensitive right now. I'm vulnerable.
A few moments later.
There we go. There, rigid. That's what it should feel like. So now that we've got the igniter back in here, let's take a zoom out and we can show you the rebuild of the Yoder Smoker 640S competition cart. Are you ready for this? So what we want to do, again, you can tell the high quality by how balanced the steel components are. What grill do you know that does that? It's like a tuning fork. So all your pellets, of course, drop straight into this guy. This is where the magic happens. So the air flows through here from the fan by the igniter. Fire starts right here. Boom, you got heat. Now we're prehistoric cavemen cooking on smoke, cooking on fire. Oh, yeah. We're going to pop this guy right on in here. Slides in like my first session at Lego. What are we doing next, Tasha? What are we doing next? I don't know what to do.
I don't know. I've never built one of these.
Okay, well, let's just go by feel. Here we go. I'm thinking this guy right here. Let's do the fork tuning thing again. You ready for it? Oh, it's more like a gong. You can still hear it. A testament to how solid this puppy is right here. Slide it in. You got to find the right angle, just like my college days.
What?
You can see little groove here, and you'll know right when it pops in. Ooh, done deal. Ooh, it's a higher pitch now. Oh, that wasn't good at all. Beautiful. Dense. Now here's the interesting part. We got this guy here. Camera lady's getting a little confused, but we'll figure it out. So this is where the magic happens. Cue shot of heat plate removed, fire coming out with roast getting seared on the Yoder. Remove this guy, and what you're gonna get is direct access, direct heat, direct fire right out of the burn pot. That's how we sear these puppies up. Natural fire, it's organic. And when you're smoking, I'm gonna throw it that way, pro tip, because you can reach in here with your tongs under the grate, pick it up like a meticulous surgeon.
I am a surgeon! I am a surgeon!
Slide it over. Well, it's 1743 degrees in there, so you don't burn the tips of your fingers off. So we're gonna put that guy in here. And next up, cooking grates. This is the best part. It's like Jenga. You are the winner. I don't know if that makes sense, does it?
No, not really.
Well, I'll try better next time. And you know what they say about the top shelf, Tasha?
What?
It's the best.
Is it?
For sure. That's the thing. Did you know that? Top shelf. That means give me your expensive stuff. Because this is where you would do your smoke if you had a whole bunch of little chicken wings. and you want to cook them on the top shelf. Have you ever heard that saying?
No.
Yeah, me either. There we go. That's the rebuild of the Yoder Smoker 640S pellet grill competition. Doesn't get any better than this thing. A thank you to the camera lady, and yeah, stay tuned. Follow us, Fireplaces by Cameron.